Hi, I am Boa van der Eems. I have been involved in various home education organizations since 2002. I have used Father's Day and Youth Day to study the guidelines on the Bella Act. These guidelines do much to address unnecessary fears for prosecution and create new opportunity for engagement for a better homeschool dispensation. But first, some background. In late December 2024, the President authorized the full implementation of the controversial Basic Education Laws Amendment Act, otherwise known as the Bella Act. Many feared it would destroy Afrikaans schools, force homeschoolers into a strict state control system of universal, compulsory, and conditional registration with regular monitoring. Legal threats were made, and then the Minister of Basic Education stepped in with something unexpected: guidelines. On 12 June 2025, Minister Gwarube released official guidelines to clarify how the Department of Basic Education interprets the Bella Act. And they've changed a lot for now. Solidarity, who had threatened legal action to protect Afrikaans schools, called the guidelines a tactical victory. And homeschoolers, they can relax a bit. In short, home educators are no longer under immediate threat of prosecution for failing to register. That's because the guidelines say parents can only be charged if they don't have a just cause for not registering. And provincial officials must first try to fix the problems stopping families from registering. In other words, the burden of proof moves to the state, not the parents. This doesn't mean the law has changed, but it does mean that enforcement has been softened, especially for those who object to unfair registration conditions. In fact, the guidelines open the door for a voluntary registration model, where families can opt in if they need government recognition, while others can educate in peace. It's not official policy, but it's a de facto win. The guidelines also define a new group: emergency homeschoolers, parents forced into home education because there were no school placements. The guidelines now say these families should be treated separately and helped back into the school system if they prefer. That helps clear the air for intentional homeschoolers to focus on real reform. The guidelines can, however, be revoked at any time. If the government of national unity dissolves and a new minister is appointed, the protections could vanish. That's why home educators are being encouraged to get involved now. Help shape the regulations. Lock in the gains. Don't wait for the next battle. The Bella Act is still law, but thanks to strategic engagement, homeschoolers have space to breathe and a chance to shape the future. So can we relax? Not yet, but we can be strategic, united, and ready. A link to an article with more details is in the description below.